Okay, now we're gonna feed this to Veronica, and she has to drink the whole thing. And in it, wait, get close up.
It's close.
Oh, is it? Okay. There's 3 different garlic powders. There's a...
Oh, oh. Okay, we're ready.
Okay. Come on.
Capri, we're ready.
Mmm,
Yummy, yummy. Why?
I'm not eating crab.
Capri, you're not going to eat it?
If you
What's this?
just take
What is
one
this?
sip.
Some lady that went to Cancun.
What? One
What?
little
It's some lady. Who's some lady?
I don't know, that my dad works with, and she sent it home. Are you going to eat
There's
it?
a heart on it.
No, oh my god.
There's not a heart on it.
Well, she did it like to show him. Okay, so are you going to drink it? Capri, are you going to drink it?
Are you filming?
Mm-hmm.
Just take one sip.
No, what the hell? No, you have to eat whatever. Both you have to eat whatever.
Okay.
No, because you're not going to do it.
We will.
No.
No. Is there toilet water in here?
No. No, seriously.
Is
We had
everything in here food?
Yes, because I was gonna put this in there, but I was like, I can't even do that.
These are IKEA cups.
Listen, I was gonna.
We even had some. We were like, no, we can't do that to her.
I was gonna. I picked this up and I was like, no. I was like, no, I can't.
Oh my god. Go like this, like inhale from here. Like you can't breathe. I'm serious. Inhale. Oh my god.
Okay.
You have to. I swear to God. No, listen,
2,
you have to do.
3.
I mean,
Capri, come on, it's going to shut
no,
off.
because you're smiling too hard.
It's going to shut off.
It's because of this. Look at the camera.
Wait, can I guess?
Yeah.
Salad dressing, number Italian dressing.
Did we put No. No.
I was like, okay, that's for sure.
No.
Okay, something Italian-y.
Oh, take another drink.
Herbs? No, I'm good.
It's an herb of some.
What's in here? I'm serious.
Okay, there's 3
Okay,
different garlic
say
powders.
goodbye.
Okay,
Say goodbye.
Bye. Okay.
Say bye.
Bye.